અચ્છા ભૂમિલ, તારું હોમવર્ક નથી આવ્યું આજે?
અરે સર, મારી નોટબુક ઘરે પડી છે ને, હું થોડુંક બહાર હતો એટલે હું તમને સેન્ડ કરી દઈશ હજી ફોટો.
એમ નથી કેતો. જો પેલી વસ્તુ એકદમ ચોખ્ખી છે કે આપણે ત્યાં છે ને સિન્સિયરિટી થી જ આવે તો પછી વેલકમ છે, નકા નથી. બરાબર છે? આપણે ઘડિયા ઘડી
હા
છોકરાઓની
સર.
પાછળ નહીં પડવાના. Okay. Good afternoon, students. Acha, now one of the most important thing is that okay, we should be positive. Okay, even if let's say okay, right now I and one or two students are also passing through a corona time, but they are able to do their work. So never compromise on your duty. So though you may not be feeling 100% well, but try to do something. Okay, काम करने की जो हमारी एबिलिटी है, that will help us a lot in the long term. Okay, so in the previous session we had discussed few concepts. Okay, just a minute. Okay, so in the previous session we discussed few points of management, features of management. So it is goal oriented, yes, it is directed towards goal. Multi-dimensional, so there are basically three dimensions. Which are three dimensions? Management of work, management of people, and management of operations. Management of work, management of people, and management of operations. Okay, I hope you are able to see my video as well. Okay, then pervasive. Rushi, what is pervasive? It is applicable in all types of organization, in all levels. So सभी जगह पर वो applicable है, तो it is called pervasive. Continuous, it means हम इसको stop नहीं कर सकते. Okay, continuously we need to manage. It's a group activity, एक जन नहीं कर सकता. All these things are very easy. Dynamic, dynamic relates to change. Okay, so management will change the organization faster. Intangible, it cannot be touched. So we are here in question number 3. मैं थोड़ा सा क्या है फास्ट आऊंगा क्योंकि थियरी में I don't want to take much time. It's very easy. कि is planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling, and applied in organizations such as schools, clubs, restaurants, hospitals, etc. So क्या schools, restaurants में ये सब होता है? Planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling? Yes or no? Yes.
Yes sir.
And if it is yes, then it is which type of feature? कौन सा कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है कि हर जगह पर ये अप्लाई होता है? So it starts with P. If it is applicable at all places, so Vivek, what is the name?
Pervasive.
Yes. So ये feature discuss हो रहा है, it is pervasive. It is applicable everywhere. Okay, textbook में सिर्फ एक जगह पर लिख लो. Now, then we have the task of management is to make people work towards achieving organizational goals by making their strengths effective and their weakness irrelevant. Identify the dimension. Now, first of all, here focus is on people, and there are three types of dimension. मैंने कहा था management of people. Okay, another dimension is management of work, and another was third dimension was management of operations. So out of these three dimensions of management, you want to use the strength of your employees. उनकी weaknesses को हटाना है. So they are talking about which dimension? Management of people. Okay. So here our answer should be management of people. So you can write down here. It's very easy. Management of people. Okay. Now look here. Domino's Pizza keep introducing new variety of pizza in its menu. Yes, every year they bring some innovation. What characteristics of management is highlighted here? हर बार कुछ नया करना, कुछ इनोवेट करना, कैन आई से ये चेंज के साथ रिलेटेड है? ओके, एंड चेंज के लिए कौन सा वर्ड है? विच इज दैट फीचर? इट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम डी. It starts from D. It says that management is dynamic function. Okay, management is a dynamic function. What is dynamic? Changes with
So to
time.
change with time.
Yes. Explain any other two characteristics of management. So other two, कोई भी आप बता सकते हो. Can I say goal oriented? Yes. And ऊपर हमने लिखा था it is pervasive. Yes. Okay. So this was a very easy theory. Now here we have objectives of management. Now there are three types of objectives. First is company's objective, organizational objective. Now, what is the main objective of a company? Is to prosper, to grow, to earn profit. So this is the main objective of a company. So survival, सबसे पहले टिकना है, then profit कमाना है, and then company will try for expansion, growth, new branches, new business, new market. So these are very easy terms. Okay, ये आप खुद रीड कर सकते हो. And social objectives. Now, social objectives, as the name suggests, it is for the benefit of society. We need to do something good for the society. In Corona time, many good persons are doing something good for the society. Sonu Sood क्या कर रहा है? Any idea?
Yes, sir.
Yes, he is actually actively involved in helping out poor, especially these migrants, laborers and all. And so many others are there. Salman Khan is there. So many celebrities, film stars, businessmen have come out and openly they are helping the society, especially in such time. So what could be the social objective of organization? Now, अच्छी क्वालिटी का प्रोडक्ट देना ये भी एक ethical value है. You are doing something good for the society. It means you should not charge higher prices. So selling at reasonable prices is also a social objective. Then desirable civic activities, school, hospitals कुछ बनवा दिया. Okay. Then generation of economic wealth, employment in opportunities provide कर दी या फिर production बढ़ा दिया. Okay, export बढ़ा दिया. It means economic wealth ज़्यादा हो गया. So it is also possible. Then financial support to the community. For example, you can give some money, micro credit. We had the concept of Grameen Bank, some small amount of loan we can give to the poor. Okay, so that they can start their own business and they can prosper. Then organizing some awareness or training programs, vocational training program. Now, what is the difference between vocational education and normal education? Right now, जो आप सीख रहे हो वो vocational education है या normal education है? हेलो,
vocational.
नो, आप जो अभी कॉमर्स सीख रहे हो ना राइट नाउ, वो कॉमर्स जो है वो वोकेशनल नहीं है, बिकॉज यहाँ से आपको क्या है कि डायरेक्टली जॉब लायक तो नहीं, आपको कंप्यूटर में टैली भी नहीं आएगा, वो तो अलग से सीखना पड़ेगा। तो वोकेशनल का मतलब है स्किल बेस्ड ट्रेनिंग। सो there are some courses which are skill based. You must have heard the name ITI. Indian Technological Institute. Okay, repairing courses are there, मोबाइल रिपेयरिंग कोर्स, या आपने टेली का कोई कोर्स भी कर लिया तो इट इज वोकेशनल कोर्स। आपने सिविंग का कोई सिलाई का कोर्स कर लिया कोई एक लेडी ने विलेज में, तो इट इज वोकेशनल कोर्स। ओके, तो वोकेशनल कोर्स कैन बी शॉर्ट टर्म कोर्स। So practically, in Bhuj, there is one area called Bhujodi. Many of you must have been there. And near Bhujodi, Dena Bank is constantly organizing some skill-based programs for the villagers. And entire month accommodation is also free of cost. Okay. So it means that bank is doing something good for the society. Then helping out government or the NGO, like right now in Gandhidham we have vaccine distribution, that is also social responsibility. Then not to pollute the environment or use environment friendly, eco-friendly production methods, this is also a part of social responsibilities or social objective. And to provide employment opportunities especially to the weaker sections. So this could also be one of the social objective. And then we have personal objective, because in company persons work. Now when the persons work, they first of all want good salary, they need self-respect, they need motivation, they need development, they need promotion. Okay, so all these things relates to the personal needs of employees, and they also needs to be at safe atmosphere. If your working area is hazardous or harmful, then employee may not work. Okay, and in corona time, suppose in your department or somewhere cases are more, so employee will not go even if you pay them well. So these are very easy terms. Okay, and here look, we have few very simple questions. So थोड़ा मैं आराम करता हूँ, and let me ask Manmeet, can you please quickly read out this? Manmeet, first one. राधिका आपका वेट कर रही है.
Radhika is engaged in manufacturing earthen coolers by using environmental-friendly methods of production. Which management objective we discuss?
Okay, so they have written environment-friendly products. Okay, so
Social objective.
social objective will be there. Yes, because to protect the environment is social objective. Okay, Aditi, can you please read second one? Okay, not an issue. I'm reading. अच्छा, और अच्छा नाम है. Okay, it in tune with my name. Ankita started a new business of providing organic vegetables and fruits. Although she is not having many competitors, but still she is trying to offer goods at minimum price. So first of all, sorry, to sell at lower price, ये social responsibility है कि नहीं? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Social तो है. Okay. And to survive in the market, ये organizational objective है कि नहीं? Yes. So state the two objectives she is trying to achieve. So can I say she is trying to achieve organizational objective of survival in the market as well as social objective by
Yes, sir.
providing at minimum price? Yes or no? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Good.
sir.
Now, here we have a third question. Okay, XYZ Power Limited set up factory for manufacturing solar lanterns in remote village as there was no reliable supply of electricity in rural areas. देखिए रूरल एरिया में क्योंकि इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं थी ये इन्होंने काम किया. So revenue earned by the company was sufficient day by day. So the company decided to increase the production to generate the higher sales. अब मुझे क्या है पहले अलग अलग टाइप्स बताओ. सबसे पहले ये इन्होंने विलेज में रिमोट विलेज में क्योंकि इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं थी वहां पर फैक्ट्री सेट की. तो ये कौन सा ऑब्जेक्टिव हुआ उनका? एनी आइडिया?
ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल.
ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल होगा या सोशल होगा? हम इसे सोशल कहेंगे. ओके हाँ, बट यहां पर है ना इंक्रीज प्रोडक्शन एंड जनरेट हायर सेल्स. सो ये है ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल सम ओवरलैपिंग मे बी देयर. अच्छा आगे सॉरी. Okay, next, let's see what they have written. For this, they decided to employ people from the nearby villages as very few job opportunities were available in that area. The company also decided to provide training to employees for updating their knowledge. अब इसमें दो गोल है. First of all, training to employees is which type of objective? अभी हमने सीखा था. There are basically three types: organizational, social and personal. So training to employees का development होगा. It is which kind of goal? Organizational or personal?
Personal.
Yes. So this is called personal goal. Okay. So providing training is a sort of personal goal of employees. And here also they have decided to employ people from nearby areas and to provide job opportunities. So to provide job opportunities, again, which kind of goal? Social. So can I say all three types of goals we are able to identify from this paragraph? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So raise your hand if you are clear about this. So they ask the same thing. Okay? Identify the objectives of management discussed above. So we just had to identify and tell. Okay. Now we have importance of management, or why management is very important. So here we have the first point. Management helps in achieving the group goal. Yes, it is very important. Without management, it is very difficult to coordinate so many people's work in a single direction. So hence management is needed. More the company, more the people, more managers will be required. तो मैनेजर्स क्या करेगा? सबकी एफर्ट्स को डायरेक्ट कर देगा कॉमन डायरेक्शन में, सो दैट कंपनी का गोल अचीव हो जाए. Then already we have discussed efficiency and effectiveness. So management will try to reduce the cost. Due to that, productivity will be higher. Effectiveness will also be there and efficiency will also be there due to reduction in wastage. Effectiveness means complete the work on time. Efficiency means complete the work at lower cost. Both things are possible due to management. Then management creates dynamic organization. Many companies failed. Why Anil Ambani failed but Mukesh Ambani did not fail? What is the reason? Third point is very important. Anil
Change
Ambani,
with time.
yes, Anil Ambani डूबा मोबाइल के बिजनेस में, मुकेश अंबानी आगे आया मोबाइल के बिजनेस में. ओके, बट कौन चेंज हुआ? मुकेश भाई.
Time and technology.
Okay, 4G टेक्नोलॉजी, 5G रेडी, सो फ्यूचर को ध्यान में रखा. And Anil Ambani spent on investing in old technology and situation was that he was in debt. Okay, so in order to survive in today's competitive business world, you need to change with the environment. Okay, and generally people like change or not? Generally we don't like change. Okay, please note, generally we don't like change. एक बार आपने अपने चेंज को, अपने आप के चेंज को आपने एक्सेप्ट कर लिया या चेंज को आपने अपना फ्रेंड बना लिया, then you will be unstoppable. Okay, so change से घबराना नहीं है, and life is all about change. Then fourth point, management helps in achieving personal objectives as well. So who is efficient manager? जो maximum prosperity लाए. It means it should not happen that only companies earning more, employees are not earning more, employees are not having good salaries or not having good working conditions. So smart manager brings prosperity for the employees as well as for the employer, that is boss or management or the owners. So hence management is needed. So management helps in achieving personal objective as well. अब देखो, दोनों का ऑब्जेक्टिव ऐसे अलग अलग नहीं है. ओके, कंपनी को ज्यादा प्रॉफिट चाहिए, यस, एम्प्लॉइज को ज्यादा सैलरी चाहिए, यस. सो मैनेजमेंट क्या करेगा? एम्प्लॉइज कैन अर्न मोर बाय प्रोड्यूसिंग मोर. Now, let me share with you one case study, real life case study. Okay, I also was doing audit of a few companies during my articleship. So, you know, this is something very practical. देखो, मैनेजर बनना इतना इजी नहीं है, बट इतना डिफिकल्ट भी नहीं है. So, एक HR डिपार्टमेंट था. HR डिपार्टमेंट मीन्स ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज. उनके पास कंप्लेंट लेकर लोग गए थे कि कैंटीन में खाना अच्छा नहीं है. ओके, सो एचआर डिपार्टमेंट ने क्या है, ज्यादा बजट के लिए फाइनेंस डिपार्टमेंट से पैसे मांगे. ओके, तो फाइनेंस वाले ने कहा कि भाई मार्केटिंग, देखो एचआर वाले ने पैसे मांगे फाइनेंस से. ध्यान से समझना, देखो जो मैं अभी बता रहा हूं ना, ये होना चाहिए एग्जाम में, ये होना चाहिए. बट यू नो आवर एजुकेशन सिस्टम इज वेरी 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 थियोरिटिकल, और जो कभी कंपनी में पैर भी नहीं रखा है वो बिजनेस स्टडीज पढ़ाते हैं. आजकल ऐसी सिचुएशन है. सो एनीवे, सो फाइनेंस, नाउ फाइनेंस वाले ने कहा कि मार्केटिंग वाला बेचता ही नहीं है, प्रॉफिट आता ही नहीं है. तो इसने कहा कि मार्केटिंग वाले का कसूर है, मैं पैसा नहीं दे सकता, मेरे पास है ही नहीं. देन मार्केटिंग वाले ने क्या कहा कि भाई क्वालिटी अच्छी नहीं आ रही है, प्रोडक्शन डिपार्टमेंट अच्छा काम नहीं कर रहा है. ओके, सो प्रोडक्शन वाला जो है वो बोलता है परचेस डिपार्टमेंट को कि परचेस डिपार्टमेंट ठीक से अच्छी क्वालिटी की परचेस टाइम पे नहीं करता है. ओके, सो फिर परचेस वाला फिर से जाता है फाइनेंस डिपार्टमेंट के पास. अब मुझे बताइए, इसमें सब कोई अपनी जगह पर सही है कि नहीं है? यू टेल मी. ऑल दीज डिपार्टमेंट हेड्स आर करेक्ट इन देयर वे और नॉट?
Yes, sir.
यस, दे आर करेक्ट. देखो ये गलत नहीं है, दे आर करेक्ट इन देयर ओन वे. अब एम्प्लॉइज जो है उनको खाना अच्छा नहीं मिल रहा है, तो उनका मोटिवेशन लेवल भी कम होगा. तो ये झगड़ रहे थे, तभी क्या है, एक बॉस आता है, उसका नाम होता है सीईओ. हमने एक्चुअली में ये इनको देखा था. और ये है ना पूरे रफ एंड टफ नहीं, एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी पीपल होते हैं। ओके, सो 5 मिनट में इसने सीधा सॉल्यूशन सिचुएशन समझ के बोल दिया कि फाइनेंस वाले को बोला, ओके, कि काम कर, इनका जो बजट है ना कैंटीन का वो 10% बढ़ा दे, बराबर। और यहाँ पर परचेस वाले को भी बोला कि आपका भी 10% बजट बढ़ जाएगा, लेकिन टारगेट दे दिया ओके मार्केटिंग वाले को कि भाई आपको जो चाहिए प्रोडक्शन अच्छा होगा, और अभी मोटिवेशन के साथ एम्प्लॉइज काम करेंगे, और एम्प्लॉइज को बोल दिया कि नेक्स्ट ईयर जो प्रॉफिट है वो 15% बढ़ेगा तो अच्छा है, वरना फिर से ये बजट कम हो जाएगा, और अगर 15% प्रॉफिट बढ़ेगा तो इंक्रीमेंट भी होगा। सो उसने ये सिचुएशन को फायदे में कन्वर्ट कर दिया। कैसे, सोचो कैसे? बिकॉज अच्छा
सर
थोड़ा
वही
थोड़ा,
परसेंटेज वापस आ रहा है।
यस, ओके। सो परचेस का कॉस्ट कम होता है, जितना सेल्स होता है उसके आधे से भी कम होता है, और कैंटीन का बिल कम होता है, लेकिन सामने मार्केटिंग में 15 से 20% अगर वो इंक्रीज लाते हैं तो इट विल बी गुड फॉर देम। So I hope you are able to understand this point. Then we have fifth point, management helps in development of society. Yes, society can develop because export will be possible, living standard, transfer of technology will be possible. Okay, there will be connection, more employment opportunities. So due to this, global lifestyle is possible, so society will develop. Okay, good. So let's see. Okay, so tomorrow we will discuss these two questions. Okay, and in 2 minutes we will start with accountancy. Okay, we are keeping just half an hour sessions. Okay, bye bye.